So I'm here at Connecticut State Park to go and find Hidden Falls. So I found it. This is Hidden Falls in Connecticut State Park. There's honestly no path. You have to either be really stupid, like me, or very careful, unlike me, to come down those gorge walls. I guess it's like 80 feet or whatever, but I did it. It's just my stick and my boots and my hands. But yeah, this is it, about 20 feet high, or so. Low water, thank God. That's a very deep, nice little swimming pool. Definitely, yes. But this is it. And right now I'm at about 6 feet from the tap. So maybe only about 15 feet or so. Most people are like, oh no, I can't see it. And they're like from way the fuck up there. And they're like, oh, I can't see it. But I'm gonna go a little bit down there and get the whole view. Beautiful, clear, clean swimming hole. Yeah, it's definitely gorgeous. I just wanted to show you how clean and clear it is. This is some of the most clear water that you'll find. This is a view. River's way down there. Almost to the trail. Eye level. There's the dangerous, don't go down there, you're gonna die sign. But this is all eye level for me, where I am on the bluff. Yeah, it's definitely pretty high up. I would not fancy falling, but luckily there are enough trees that'll catch you if you fell. They might break you, but they catch you, so you don't go tumbling down the rocks. But yeah. So, yay, I found it. Now on to the next one.